gaining ground and advancing science with every step. At Thermo Fisher Scientific, we help you get the most out of your instruments and applications so you can keep making a positive impact for generations to come. Our suite of service and support biopharma solutions can help address your essential laboratory needs so you can keep conquering disease. Regulatory compliance cannot be compromised on the road to innovative therapies for patients. Our biopharma solutions can help you demonstrate manufacturing compliance for current good manufacturing practice, also known as CGMP, an international organization for standardization, or ISO standards. Every minute counts when you're conquering disease, and you can't afford to trade off quality on your way to results. Our instrument service plans, including the AB Assurance Plan and AB Repair Center plans, as well as our qualification services, can help ensure reliability and consistency in your work by providing fast on-site responses and issue resolution. Product sterility and purity are critically important when it comes to the biopharmaceutical manufacturing phase. Our computer system validation consulting service helps strengthen the AB MicroSeq microbial identification system used in small molecule and biopharmaceutical manufacturing and service laboratories. Explore our biopharma solutions today and discover innovative support and instrument expertise to help you make history. Keep conquering disease. We've got your back.